Hi guys, my name is Dora and welcome to my channel. Today I'm filming Get Ready With Me because I'm going on a wedding, so I wanted to show you what I would do for my makeup. And I'm wearing some kind of white lilac-y combination, something like my backdrop. So I'll go with these tones. And first I'll start with my primer. I'm using this Catrice Prime and Fine. It's beautifying primer. For my foundation today I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus and it's in the shade Golden Beige. And I'll blend it with this Real Techniques complexion sponge. Now for my concealer I'm also using Wet n Wild Photo Focus one, and this is in the shade Light Ivory. No, I got the wrong one, I think. Yes. Oh, never mind, I have this Maybelline Fit Me, it's in the shade 20. I'll also blend it with Real Techniques sponge. And with leftover I'm going over my lid. Now I'll set all of this with this Ben Nye Luxury Banana Powder. Now I'm taking this BH Bronze Paradise palette and I'll use this shade to contour a bit, and I'm using this angled brush. Now I'll take Mary Lou from the Balm and with a fan brush I'll apply it on my face. Now I'm taking this Revolution, it's actually a highlighter, it's baked highlighter but it's very dark, so I'll use it as my bronzer. Today's blush is this from Wet n Wild, it's called Pearlescent Pink and I really like it. It has like gold specks in it. Now I'm going on my eyes. First I'm using this palette from Wet n Wild, it's called Rose in the Air, yes. And I'm taking this lilac shade mixed with this transition shade. And with a blending brush I'll apply it into my crease. Now I'm I'm going into palette Desert Dusk from Huda Beauty, and I'll use this shade called Amethyst. And with a smaller brush, I'm focusing it a bit lower into my crease. Even smaller blending brush, I'll take this shade called Oud. It's like dark brown. And I'll just deepen my outer V and a bit of my crease. And for the center of my lid, I'm taking this gold shade from Wet n Wild. It's called Toasty. It's very pretty, but it's like creamy. Wow, look at this. So I'll apply this. I'm taking this BH palette, and with this gold shade I'll just tap a bit over that. I'll take white eyeliner from Essence. For lashes, I'm using Avon True Ultra Volume Lash Magnifying Mascara. Lastly, my lips, I'm using this Rimmel Cappuccino Lip Liner. For lipstick, I'm using Catrice Ultimate Matte in the shade Nude Crush Everyday. So guys, this is my completed look. I'll post my outfit and my hair on my Instagram. I'll leave it in the description so you can follow me there also. So I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!